About songwriting.
We have one gospel tune. That's it for now. Actually, on the new record, I'm super excited about this tune because we have a badass gospel choir backing us up. I just let y'all in on some insider information. Nobody has heard this.
They're the best in town, too. There's no doubt about it.
So excited. So if you pre-got it, you get to listen to the badass gospel choir. Seems unfair the way it went down. She knew she shouldn't have been hanging around with that rich kid and his drugs. His daddy's money kept him in the clear, but man, he ended up doing a few years. Now she's out. She runs a little nail salon in a building where everyone's just trying to move on, just trying to move on. Hallelujah, thank the Lord. For another chance. Hallelujah, thank the Lord. For another chance. Janie lives up on the second floor. She works in the cafe right next door. She's taking it day by day. Late at night when she's all alone, the cravings hit. She picks up the phone. She's been working hard to get her life on track. It's been 46 days since she last smoked crack, but she still cries, she still cries. Hallelujah, thank the Lord. For another chance. Hallelujah, thank the Lord. For another chance. There's a quiet old man up on the third floor. Janie sees a note posted on his door. It says the whole world's fucked. It's been 2 weeks since anybody's heard from him, so finally the police just bust on it. Take a look. Well, it's no surprise he's still sitting right there. Empty pill bottles all around his chair. Looks like